Hey guys, it's Say Hello Mama, and I have been trying to get this video to you, but my life is a little chaotic right now getting ready for the new baby. But I am so excited to show it to you. This is the packing video for the gorgeous, wonderful, water-resistant, striped, like I love, 12Little on-the-go backpack. If you haven't seen my unboxing video for this bag, you should. I'll leave the link in my description box below. I'm having a baby in a week or two, and that's it. If he goes overdue, I'm just like throwing in the towel. That cannot happen. Can you imagine? I think I would die. So the baby is coming. My son will be out of preschool. My daughter is 2 years old. So I'll have a 4-year-old, a 2-year-old, and a newborn. So I can imagine when we leave the house, I'm gonna need all of my hands available and then some. So this bag is going to be a must-have for me when I'm out and about with my 3 little ones. So I'm so excited to show you how I've been packing it up. It is the striped print. It does have vegan leather trim, tons of fun pockets, including insulated bottle pockets, which are a obsession of mine. Bags that are able to fit water bottles on the side and not in the bag are a huge game changer for me, especially during the summer, trying to keep everybody hydrated. So I want to give you the best look I can into this bag, so I'm gonna move the camera to the side over here and give you like a bird's eye view best I can of all the stuff I have packed in it. So what I'm showing you here is in total natural light. I'm facing a window, so the colors on this bag are really true to life. It's gorgeous gray, white stripe. The vegan leather hardware is like a camel-y color. And the zippers and the hardware itself is silver, which I love. And there's all this great little vegan leather detail here and here on all the zipper pulls. So let's start on these outside pockets. I really wanted to show you that they kind of look like they might be tight, but they actually hold all the water bottles I've tried or that I would use on a daily basis. So this is a thermos container, and that fits in there great. And on this side I have my 17-ounce Swell bottle, and I have literally no problem getting that in and out of the pocket, and I really like where it hits here, and it doesn't interfere with any of the zippers. I've had backpacks where that isn't as true, and I really like how this one sits in there. On the front of this pocket, there is a long zipper that goes all the way across, and this is where I've been keeping all of my mom's stuff. So I have my phone. This is one of my favorite features of this bag. It has a key leash, and I know a lot of bags do have a key leash, but this one is in such a good location. I have like the keyless car now, so I can just leave this in here, but when I need to get in my front door, I can just like swing it over one shoulder, reach in, and then use the key without taking it off the fob. So it's always really easy to find. What else do I have in here? I just have some sunglasses and a chapstick. You like my Apple Watch tan? That's really classy, huh? And all of that fit in there no problem, and it has the adorable animal lining. I'll get you a better shot of that on the inside of the bag. This bag features a double zipper pull, which I am obsessed with. I think backpacks, bags should always have a double zipper pull, and this zipper is really smooth, which I love. And the bag opens just like so. This way, like, your stuff isn't falling out, but if you needed to keep it like a little bit more zipped up and throw in jackets or something, you'd also be able to do it that way. There's that adorable animal print lining. It's really wipeable. I love the light blue. I think it's really cute. So in this middle compartment here, I am using the 12Little trio pouch set, and in this one, I just have diapering stuff. My 2-year-old is in size 5 diapers, and my big guy is in pull-ups. I also have the coordinating change pad in here, which came with my companion backpack by 12Little, and I love, so that fits in there perfectly. In the middle, this is the smallest of the trio pouch that comes, and I love that it is clear. I've been using this for all of my miscellaneous makeup-y mom things, lotion, Tide-to-Go pen, actual pen, lipstick, all that stuff, and it fits in there perfectly. Here what you're seeing is a package, like a half package of Pampers wipes. This is one long mesh, really nice high quality mesh. Sometimes I feel like stuff's gonna get caught on other bags, but not this kind. I don't know how to describe it better than that. It's kind of wiry. And in here I just have the 3rd pouch of the trio pouch set. I like them all so much, but this one is insulated. So this is where I keep our snacks of all kinds, and it fits a really good amount, and of course matches perfectly, which brings me a lot of joy and satisfaction, embarrassingly enough. And this of course fit perfectly in that back pocket, like it was made to go there, which it may very well be. What I decided to put in these 2 pockets, which are some of my most reached for items. So in this one I have sunscreen and hand sanitizer. And in this pocket here, I just have my full-size wallet, zip-around wallet, nothing fancy, but it does fit in there perfectly. In the very bottom of the bag, I have changes of clothes rolled up for my kids. I have a little romper for my little girl and also rolled up change of clothes for my big guy. You can see when it's empty, this bag has a lot of room, and I love how it's laid out with the 2 pockets here, the mesh pocket in the back, and then there's this long zipper pocket here in which I've just thrown random stuff. I have some on-the-go boogie wipes, a little travel bib, and some crayons we got at a restaurant. And this pocket's a really good size, and it would be easy to clean because you can pull out that lining. So that is everything that was in this main front compartment. It's definitely the larger of the 2 compartments this bag has. When you turn this bag around, you can see that it has really comfortable backpack straps. They're also really easy to adjust, and they don't get loose. Sometimes I'm like fidgeting with some of my other backpacks because they get too loose, but this one I have had no problems with. And in this back pocket, which can fit a laptop, if you need that, if you're a working mom, or if you're gonna use this bag for travel and wanna pack an iPad or your laptop, all of those items would both fit here. I love how they didn't skimp, and they did include the beautiful animal lining here on this back pocket too. So what I've been throwing back in here are these little like sticker books. This one is about dinosaurs. My kids love it because it has 1,000 stickers in it, so I don't ever have to worry about them running out. And then this one is a little Moana sticker book. And this pocket could theoretically hold like a lot of books. Of course, that's gonna make your bag heavier, but I really like that for entertainment purposes. You could also put coloring pages, blah, blah, blah. You get the point. A lot of stuff would fit back there. One last zipper compartment back here, and I don't currently have anything in here. And this pocket does something really cool. It also unzips from the bottom, and you can put this on a rolling suitcase. So when they say on-the-go backpack, they really took that to heart with all of these ingenious features. But of course, if you want to keep that bottom part zipped, you can also put a whole bunch of stuff. For reference, like this is my big old wallet, and it fits back in there, zero problem. And there's tons more space in there. One of my last and favorite features of this bag is the grab handle. It makes it so convenient to pull it out of the front seat of your car, or just be able to grab it if you're grabbing a little one that's running away from you. I love a bag with a grab handle, so this makes me really happy. The bag also does have metal feet, so when you've gone to put it down at the playground, you don't have to worry about it getting gross or dirty. Though this fabric is so wipeable, I really don't think that's gonna be a major problem with this bag. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I do want to mention that I have another 12Little backpack review, a video, unboxing, both of those things, which I'm gonna link in the description. And I want to show you that bag real quick, because if you're thinking to yourself, hey, I really like a lot of the features I've seen in the on-the-go backpack, but I might need a little bit more space, you should totally check out my review for this bag. This is their companion backpack. It has tons of the same awesome features, insulated bottle pockets, really well thought out interior layout, grab handle here at the top, all that good stuff. It just has a little bit more space and a little bit different look, design, ta-da! So check this one out as well, and I'll leave the links to shop this bag too in the description box. Guys, description box where it's at. All the information you'll need will be in there. So this is the companion backpack, on-the-go backpack. So you can check both of those out and then shop those links in my description box. It's available at Nordstrom and BuyBuyBaby. As well, the pouches I used are available at both of those places too, so I'll put those in the description box also, which is right next to that subscribe button, so you guys should hit that button, please, 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 and I will see you guys so soon. Bye!